and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
Hello everybody, this is Tibacho from Switzerland. Well, I just returned from Nigeria not quite long ago, and I stayed 5 weeks in Nigeria, 5 weeks, and I got the visa that was issued from the ambassador here in Switzerland, Nigerian embassy in Switzerland. The ambassador issued me a visa for 2 months, and I stayed only 5 weeks. So I was very shocked and disappointed when I wanted to leave Nigeria. The Nigerian immigration at the airport in Lagos, they say I have overstayed, that they can't let me go. They first say that I overstay, I should have gone after 1 month. I now showed them the visa of 2 months. They say they don't care, that after 1 month I should have left. That actually what we are going to do now is I have to pay $8,000. $8,000 is equal to about 3 million naira. I told him, Oga, I don't even get 1 naira with me. I don't get anything with me. And this is a mistake. I can't have overstayed since I got the visa of 2 months and I've stayed only 5 weeks. So I shout, I complain. Another man now took me away, also from the Nigerian immigration. He took me aside, telling me, look, what we are going to do now is, you are going to pay 80,000 naira. I started shouting, because how can you first tell me it's 3 million naira? Now, within 5 minutes, it now turned down to 80,000 naira. All these scammers, all these frauds, I know Grio. So I told him that, okay, this visa I got is 2 months. He said he don't care whether the ambassador issue me anything or what, that it's 1 month. He said he will take me to the office. He will take me to his boss. I say, oh yeah, let's go now. Take me to the person that is in charge of all this. Let me talk. Oh. The guy just started looking at me angrily, saying, you are making me angry here. I shout, say, you too, you are getting me angry here. Because normally I always respect Nigerians. Whether you are an officer, whether you are police, whether you are living on the street, I don't care, I give you respect. But this one now, I couldn't hold it again because even my time was running. I almost missed my plane. So this guy now say, I'm getting him angry. I told him that, look, take me to the office because you can't just be letting me stand. He let me stand there for like 20 minutes. Not even attending to me, just telling me that I can't pass. So I now told him whether you are going to attend to me now or not. So he now said he will take me to the office. I said, oh yeah, let's go. He's still delaying me. I now told him, look at what I'm going to do now. I have the mobile number of the ambassador here in Switzerland, Nigerian ambassador. I'm going to call him right now. That is when he now started like, no, let's see. He still delayed me for another 5 minutes. I say, okay, stop all this nonsense. You know, I say, that is not like that I have to pay, that I should come and check the screen. And really, when he scanned my passport, it showed overstay. But all this, they are scam. Even my friends, my Nigerian friend here in Switzerland, the lady told me that all this is their scam, all this is their fraud. That is how they want to get money from white. See, I don't agree. I they vex very well for this. So, at the end, imagine, they just gave me the stamp, just like that, after enough shouting up and down. They just gave me my stamp and let me go. But now, when I got home, I now saw that they now put the stamp on the wrong page. Instead of the visa of this year, they now put the stamp on my last year visa. So that one will still give me problem if I want to enter Nigeria again. See, all this your scams, all this your fraud it's not going to I swear the crime is too much. This is too much. I don't like it. I swear all this makes me to start disliking Nigerian ways. Honestly, I dey vex well. Because when I now finally enter plane with my daughter, just 5 minutes later they said boarding completed. The door closed. So if they would have just delayed me 5 minutes more, I would have missed my plane. I swear this is not a joking matter. This is not play. This is a serious issue. I mean, I pay more than 1,000. I pay almost 2,000 for my ticket, for my daughter and me. I pay almost $2,000 for ticket. Now you guys want me to miss my plane, all in the name of money. It's not good, oh. It's not good. It's not good at all. Don't try me again, I swear.
In fact, I have not seen this type of thing in my entire life. A country whereby things are not working well. Have you seen a situation whereby someone is failing and at the same time the rate of the arrogance is so bad? Have you seen a student in the particular class that took last 50 out of 50 in a class where children is, and that child or that adult is the most arrogant student? That is the way Nigeria is. The country is producing extremely poor results every blessed day. And if you see where the government is talking here, how many of you watch Buhari interview? If you see where Buhari is talking, someone will think that the country is working, the judiciary is functioning, everything is at peace or okay in that particular country. They never knew that is back of pot. That is why you see that there is no certificate you will carry from Nigeria that will be valid outside Nigeria. Is never valid. Because why? They know that they have everything about them is corruption. Everything about them is in fact, there's no word to describe that country. Is as poor as that. The citizens in Nigeria survive by the special grace of God. I mean, the gullible citizen, like, they survive by the special grace of God. A country or a country whereby the governor, the leaders don't even care about the citizen, but yet the citizens still live. That is the hand of God upon the life of the citizen. Nigeria, it will come to a point that even if you call the name Nigeria, people will be telling you, where are you from? Why are you calling this name here? Is as bad as this. These are some of the evidence. Look at the rate of shame and disgrace they are giving to themselves, honestly, not the citizen. And the way this thing is going, they will even see it and they have no shame. That is the worst part. There is no atom of shame in them. With this video, you will think that they will amend their ways. Never. They will tell you the video does not concern them. So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Share it, let it go viral. Thank you so dearly once again. I still remain your humble self, AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. And if you have been enjoying all this, you haven't subscribed, oh my word, please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.